Look out, we have a game called Find a Word with about the letters. You just have to find it secretly. R.
Okay, put it here. What letter is that?
That's B.
B. What's the next letter? What's the next letter?
Brook.
Huh? What's the next letter?
P. Is there a P?
What's this? What
R.
letter is that?
R. What's that letter?
What letter is that?
A.
A.
I think I'm spelling word.
What?
Okay, wait a minute. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, that's all. You have four letters there.
Break.
Huh? No. You have to think. You can move around the letters. Here, let me move it. You can move around the letters to create a word.
R.
No.
I.
No.
A.
You can move this, move that. You can move everything.
Okay.
You have to guess.
Rubber E. Rubber E. Nope.
You're getting there. Oh, okay. You only need to move one letter from the first. Oh no, not that one. Okay. How do you read? Can you read that? Is that a word?
Rib. No.
How about this? Moving this over there. Now
Bear.
what? Bear.
I
Now,
spelled the word.
yeah. Now, can you write bear on your paper?
Okay. So, bear.
What letter is the first one?
B.
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 Next. What?
E.
E.
And A.
Yeah.
And R. Just do the P, then down.
The tail. Let me see.
Bear.
Let me see. Oh, good
Looks
job, bear.
Bear.
All right.
Now
Done with that first one.
Now the second.
Remember, you have to find the letters and then you can make a word.
I can see it peeking.
Peeking? It's peeking? Okay.
Yes.
Put it here.
Feels nice. And D. I. W.
Oh, that's actually, yeah, that's W.
Yes, it sure is.
Okay. Let me get this. All right. That's all. All you have are 4 letters,
The
baby.
wind.
Huh?
The wind.
Wind? Okay, can you move around the letters so you could spell it properly? What's next? What's next after W?
D.
Huh?
D.
Wind. Wind.
I.
What's next?
D.
No.
And
Wind. There you go.
wind.
Wind. Can
Now-
you write it down?
Oh, A. So we already did bear. There, bear.
Yeah.
Yes.
How do you spell wind? You tell me.
W. I.
Yeah.
N. D.
Very good. 2 points for Basti.
Yeah, 2 points.
Good job.
But you're the guest who.
Am I the guest or am I the teacher?
You're the guest because you're gonna see how many points I get when I go.
Okay,
So
okay.
so you're the guest.
Okay, babe.
I can see it again peeking.
Oh, what letter is that?
Oh.
Oh.
F.
write fox.
Okay.
Tell me what letters you're writing.
Okay.
What's that?
F.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Mm-hmm.
X.
Very good. 3 points for Basti.
Yeah.
Later, we're gonna make more words. Oh, maybe we could do math. Math equations.
Yes.
You have to find the numbers underneath the sand.
Ooh,
All right,
that's
last one.
like that.
Yeah, babe.
Okay. Is there just some? How many?
I don't know. Maybe it's either 3 or 4 letters.
I'm not sure.
Okay, all right, put it there.
J.
J.
P.
Mm-hmm.
What's that letter? U.
U.
Juke.
Ju.
Nope.
No.
Mm.
Find more if there's more.
Okay, no problem.
Ooh.
That's M.
M. All right. So what word do you think you could make using those letters?
Much.
Sounds funny, but that's not the word. That's not a word, babe. All right, go ahead.
Let me see.
Yes, some more. Move it around so you could. Ooh, you're getting there. You're getting there. Oh, now read that.
Jump.
Jump. See, you made a word. Good job.
Jump.
High five.
Now.
Oh, now you could write it.
Where's my pencil?
Huh?
Where's my
That right there.
Oh, yes, there it is.
Oh, you tell me
Thank
what
you.
letters you're gonna write, okay?
Okay. J.
Yes.
U.
Mm-hmm.
M. And P.
Good job. Now you have 4 points.
Yeah, so if I got 4 points, what are we gonna do?
You get to swim later.
Yay, but let's do another challenge.
Okay, what do you want?
How about finding letters inside the sand?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna create more words, okay?
Okay.
All right, you can take a break, babe.
Okay. Ready. Ooh, 0.
We're gonna use that as letter O because I'm missing 2 letter O's.
Yeah.
All right, so pretend that that's letter O.
That's O.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's just real.
That's a real K. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
That's a new letter. That's a new.
Are those the only letters you have?
Yes.
Make sure you look for it. Make sure you search your box. Maybe there's more underneath the sand.
What?
Oh.
Look.
Is that how you spell look? How do you spell look?
Will we put an O here?
Mm-hmm. How does that sound when you read it?
Look.
No. It sounds like loco, but if you do it this way,
Look.
look. Can you write it down? Can you write it on the same page? So when I take a picture, I could show it to Tata in all in one page. Oh, what letter are you writing? You have to tell me.
L-O-O.
Uh-huh.
And K.
Very
Look.
good. Look.
Look.
All right.
I already did the first
You
challenge.
did.
It
All
was
right.
just letters.
Yeah, was it easy? Was that easy?
It sure was.
It sure was. Okay, next time, Nanay will make it harder.
Oh, this is O again.
Yeah, I only have 1 letter O. So that's why. Okay, put it here, babe.
Oh, sorry. What's that? Ooh, B.
B.
Oh, this is letter X.
Uh-huh. You think there's more?
There's something pinky.
I think we got everything. All right, what word is that?
Box.
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 What other word does it rhyme with? Remember the other word that you made earlier starts with the letter F?
F. Fox.
Fox, yeah.
Where
Right.
is it?
Right there, in front of you.
Oh, yes. There. Fox.
You get your pencil, it's right here. There you go.
Yes, here you go. Mm-hmm.
I'll write it down. You tell Nanay the letters while you're writing it.
B.
Mm-hmm.
O. X.
All right, perfect. All right.
Now,
Which color are you gonna play with now?
I want to do that. Purple.
The purple one? Okay,
Yes.
here you
But
go.
it's not dark at all. Ah, here's a letter. I found
You
one.
found one.
I.
I.
And S.
Mm-hmm. What word are you thinking?
D.
D.
Fid.
Fit.
Nope.
Look for some more. No, it's okay. Look for some more letters so you can
Okay.
create a word.
Okay.
I bet there's a lot. There's one more there.
There sure is. N.
N. All right. Oh, what word are you thinking?
Big.
Huh? Mm-hmm. What letter should you think be the first one? Look at your letters. Look at your letters.
D.
Just look at it. What word can you create using those letters?
That's not good.
That's not good. You try some more. Try to move your letter I.
It didn't fit.
No. Try moving your F in front.
Okay.
Okay. Now read the word. Can you read that?
Fin.
Fin? Is there a word fin? Or what are we trying to do here? We're trying to find letters.
Letter.
Yeah. What do you think that word is?
Tin.
Find.
Fine.
Yeah. Try moving this letter D at the end. Yeah.
Fine.
Find.
That's fine.
Yeah. All right. Go write it down on your paper.
Okay. Here's my pen.
Yeah. Recite the letters.
F. I.
Mm-hmm.
N.
Yep.
D.
All right.
Now
Good job.
find.
Find. Was that a hard word?
That wasn't.
That wasn't? Yeah. You just have to practice moving the letters so you could really create a good word.
E.
E, yeah. I'll put it here.
S. E.
Mm-hmm. Are there more?
A. O.
Mm.
Can you get the B?
No.
Why?
Why do I need to get the B? Just create a word using the letters that you find in
C.
the C. That's good. Oh wait, before you find the other letter, write it down because you created the word
Okay.
C.
C.
Yeah. And then you could find another letter here
So-
and then make another word.
Yes.
Oh, what letter?
S.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Yeah.
And
Good job.
A.
Now you could find another letter. Maybe you could create another word.
D.
Huh?
R. I mean R.
R. Mm.
Sir.
Sear. Yeah, that's a
Sear.
word.
That's a word.
Yep.
This. That.
No, write another word. Don't just add
C.
R. Just put C here and just leave that one alone. Write another word. S-E-A. Because you found you created 2 words using these letters.
E.
And then A. All right. Now look at your your letters again. Here, baby. Look at your letters again, and see if you can create another word.
Okay.
Gently. Yeah. You can remove 1 letter to create another word. Yeah. Oh, what word is that?
Earth.
R. R.
R.
Yeah.
A. R.
Yes.
E.
Very good.
E.
Now you can create another word.
Where?
Here. It's my clue for you is it's part of your body. And you use that to
Ear.
ear. Very good. Oh, you could write ear.
Ears.
Ears. Very good.
I made of my body and
Yeah.
ears. That.
You're very good.
I sure am.
Yeah, babe.
E. Wait, I'm gonna do that. There. And S.
Very
Ears.
good. High five, babe.
Now, is there another?
You want more? Okay. I'll create more.
Okay.